Hello guys, welcome back to Homie Crafty. Today's video I will show you 3 different ways to doodle gift cards for mom. I know you love your mom and want to give her a special gift, so let's get started. If you are a beautiful young lady and your mom is just like your BFF, then this doodle is for you. Remember the days when you and your mom hang out together and talk about all kinds of stuff? Nothing would be sweeter than those deep talks. I know when we get older, we are busy with our studies and works and stuff like that, and forget about having time with your mom. So the idea of this doodle is to remind you how much you love your mom and want to spend time with her, because time is the most valuable gift that you could give to your mom. The next doodle is easy and super cute. It is a little girl, which is you holding a balloon as a gift to your mom. You can change the hair of the girl to be like yours, so your mom will be impressed. Just so you know, each of the doodle that I'm showing you now only takes about 5 to 10 minutes to make in real time, so you can make them all in just around half an hour. Also, doodling is a very good way to reduce stress, so the more you doodle, the happier you will be. I also have other videos for basic doodle patterns and ASMR, so if you like to learn more, then please check out in the links in the description box. If you are a handsome young man, then this one is definitely for you. This is a cute little boy holding a rose while he is trying to say thank you to his mom. How adorable that is! You can use these cards as birthday or Mother's Day gift cards. She would definitely be in love with these DIY presents. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the content and want to see more, please hit subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you won't miss anything. See you next time.